All right, today we have the Razer Katana Chroma aRGB ATX fully modular power supply. It's 1200 watts, 80 plus platinum, and of course has Razer Chroma RGB. I believe really this is the only thing here. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. First, let's note that this will just be an unboxing. I bought all these Razer components, as you can see in this little clip here, and I am building a Razer based desktop. But this particular one, especially the Razer Katana Chroma power supply, I saw almost no videos on it. So I wanted to just see something about it before I bought it. I bought it basically sight unseen. So I'm gonna have a video of the unboxing, and then on my main channel later on, after the desktop's built, we'll have a video, showing how it works in Synapse and all the settings and all that. But this particular video will just be the unboxing. So it'll be a while before I finish the build and edit videos and all that kind of stuff. It is heavy. I mean, you would hope so. I guess it's a beefy device. See the back of the box. I mean, this box was inside another cardboard box. Even though it is a big box, it didn't come just in this box. The handbow cooler really is the only thing that shipped in its own box, which I didn't appreciate. Also, as I said, I'm building a Razer focused desktop, and this is the most impractical expense. It's a nice little packaging there though, so that's pretty cool. That's a good book right there. Big book. For gamers by gamers, Razer stickers, of course. I don't know why this book is so big. Not a lot of information on it, but cool, I guess. A lot of Razer stuff. There's like a Razer tax. Of all the components I was buying to build my desktop, the motherboard was pretty pricey, and then this made no sense to buy, really. This is the one thing that I kind of waffled on. I was thinking, because you really don't even see it, I don't think, but I wanted to be all Razer, and now I'm all Razer. It is a very nice packaging compared to all of the rest of this stuff. So this is quite the presentation. This is where all your weight is. This box of cables. Man, look at that. That's a lot of stuff in there. So in this box, on this wrapping paper, essentially. So we have the Razer logo on this side. On the back, we have all of our plugins, and then Razer logo on this side. So the Razer logo is flipped, I guess, depending on what side you have out. On the back, of course, we have the 0 fan on-off button, and then the power button here, and then, of course, we plug in your 3-pronger. Up top here, we have the serial number, 1200 platinum model number, just standard stuff there, right? And then up top, you can see, hard to see, of course, it has this mesh shape there, but this is all, feels like metal. I assume it's metal. See the goods there, and then of course, here is all of your ports. They're labeled. This is PCIe, CPU, SATA/peripheral motherboard, and these are not labeled, and this one says aRGB. So pretty good looking. Don't eat this. In here, obviously a 3-prong power cable, of course. And this is one thing I very much wondered. I was hoping to be the case. They are black braided cables, right? Pretty much all of them have this nice black braiding. Yeah, I don't want to take them all out of here, but there are some little screws here to mount it in. Everything in the box has this nice black braiding on it, so they should look nice and pretty inside your case. Especially mine, because I have the Razer Tomahawk case where everything's gonna be black and or chroma colors, so it's gonna be nice not to have a bunch of random colors of cables in there. So all right, there is the Razer Katana Chroma aRGB ATX fully modular power supply. Oh, this just looks like a giant version of the Razer fan. There's where the RGB strip will be. That's interesting. As I said, I bought all Razer pieces, so this is the 120 millimeter Razer fan. You can tell it has the RGB here. They sell a larger version. I wonder if that's just the larger version of this fan in there. That's funny. I think it is. It's pretty neat, which also makes me think this is way overpriced, but whatever. All right, that's it. Thanks for checking me out.